Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to use Apple Notes to scan documents, and it's pretty simple. So to scan your notes or documents using the Notes app in your Apple devices is pretty simple. Long press it and then right here it's going to show you a variety of choices. In the variety of choices, all you have to do is scan document to redirect it to your camera, and I have a fake document right here that we want to scan. So let's just take a picture and basically right there, that's one, and that's two, and then we can go ahead and go and press done and press save right there. So here in the scan documents, it's pretty simple. You can edit them and crop them if you even want to. So you can also edit it right here, save the files, you can even view it, and you can do various things like rotate to the left, to the right, or even crop the page right here. So here we can crop it to its exact dimensions if we want to. So something like this right here. And it's not perfect, but it's you get the point. Now we have a document that's really a document. So there you go. It's just that simple, guys. So there you go, guys. That's how you scan a document using your Apple Notes here in your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.